Hey guys, welcome back to Millionaires TV. I hope you're all doing super fabulous. Today I'll be showing you some snippets of my recent trip to Jamaica. Yeah, in my hometown. Please. And one orange juice.
One box orange juice.
Yes. And one fruit punch.
One fruit punch box drink.
Yes, please.
Any coconut and water, please?
No.
What? 1,460, please. First window. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You will laugh. Yeah, Kino, no. Oh my God, Kino. Now, like this landscape or else
You can't video
people
properly.
have different. That's how they like this.
No.
People are gonna have.
You know this one. Pass, go on, pass.
Where you want?
Yes, sir.
What to buy? How much pork? How much free pork? You know how much free?
About 600 of one.
600.
But today, so I'm going video, look up this side road. Yeah, I you sell the pork down, father? How you sell it? Alright, just give me 3 portions of pork. Yeah. You can make. Yeah. Yeah, then everything good.
Yes, sir. I try to reach up to the system.
Yeah, dog.
Oh, yeah.
This is a pork. 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 A pork, man. I say.
I put one.
Yeah. I look for him and say the pork.
Chicken man.
God, no, I should me see a weird person that I think I pork,
No
man.
put on the boat here, though.
God, no.
Now I pork, you say. Chicken, you say.
The man, bandole the thing. And so, yeah. What it up? Bro. Outside. There, man, everything good.
Yeah, boy, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Miss Forbes. Good morning.
How you do?
Alright. You know what I say? The pork man, they say not coming.
You not coming.
All the jerk chicken man there over there.
You want jerk chicken? Say, but how much you jerk chicken? We get paid jerk chicken and bread.
Alright.
Yeah, get some jerk chicken. Chicken will be cheaper.
Yeah, chicken are cheap. What's that? My father. Like, yeah man, that's great. And come you tell us you chop up some ice and shit also.
Did you back?
Huh? Yeah. Alright, Shorty. Whoa, hello, short girl. Don't catch a piece of chicken. Wow, neat, man.
So guys, listen to what these two little boys did. I have never seen these boys and I have never spoken to these boys.
Push the man. Inside that one. Go on, let me see it. There's a change left for father.
Eh?
Change left.
Eh?
Change your left.
Yeah, $200.
$200.
So my guess is they were walking up and saw my friend talking to me, and then he left to buy the jerk chicken. So they used their little brains to trick him in buying stuff from them, saying that I sent them to him.
If we get 200.
Yeah.
May I come here?
She didn't take none from it, huh?
One good thing is they didn't say I took any goods from them, so they actually gave him the 2 chocolates.
How much do we get?
If I didn't get this video, I wouldn't have no idea what he was talking about. Basically, they lied, sold their goods, and went on their merry way. Twice within, I would say, a 10-minute span, 2 things happen that I need to take account of. This jerk man tried to sell his chicken off as pork for people who don't know pork, because my friend did say to him twice, jerk pork. And he went ahead and was preparing the chicken until he actually said to him, "Is that pork?" And then the second thing is these 2 little boys who I've never seen before went there and got my $200, saying that I sent them to him. So guys, be careful. In this clip, for those of you who know Savlamar well, I'm standing right by the roundabout where KFC is, and the 2 gas station. That's KFC over there. So I'm just giving you a little view of what I can see from inside this restaurant. It is a super hot day, so my cousin decided to stand underneath the AC while we wait for our meals.
Marie,
Jerky!
they want to go to road different.
You have anything ready? Here.
And I hear soupy. Different things they want to go to road different from the Chinese things. Too much Chinese things out the road.
Those of you who are wondering, this is a totally different day, and this is a different jerk man. Now come. I chicken moasi. One jerky. I chicken moasi, man. Wow, look at that.
Jerk chicken and breast me want.
Yes. Everybody are going left me. Mama go about in business, mama. One bullet. What go on? That's Miss Pearly over there. That's Johnny. Rasheen. And Sweeney. My long time friend Johnny
Come
come
on,
to
Johnny,
check
tell me
me.
the story them.
My baby get a fire.
Who me? Yeah, interview me. Alright, interview me, Johnny. I don't have no kids over there.
Oh,
I have 2 sons from here.
oh, yeah. One for Brian. One for Brian, man.
And he must come pick me up, you know.
He big a big man, I know. Brian.
Eh.
So,
My 30 now.
wow, how long time?
Hey!
Brian, the whole of the band now. Like guy, whole of them.
Eh.
Why, in that day, that. We have some nice days in the night. In the night.
So you pick them how old now?
The one at 22 and one about 24.
What?
Big girl, when they call me, never come down. You know what I'm saying? High color girl. I say you want to.
You don't talk to nobody with a high color, Johnny.
High color man.
Johnny love high color. I don't know what happened to him.
So you want to
I pay high color woman he want.
Yeah, yeah.
You want pretty picnic?
It's after the night, you see me like
This
this.
son, eh?
Hello! Hello!
I buy that.
Eh. What you say again?
That's why I came back.
3 minutes.
Where I came back. The boy know.
Shut him for my summer go cover it. I roast my breadfruit them to come back to England. And then we can see them good. Auntie Jean peeling roast breadfruits. Breadfruit, roast breadfruit. Tonight I decided to sit and watch Miss Pearlie and Miss Bev play domino and argue over who win or who is cheating. Guys, please remember to like and comment on the video and share it with your friends. I really do appreciate your visit. Thank you.